Westermans here with a Gullco GK-200 motorised welding tractor. This is actually fitted to flexible track. The bearings can be changed for rigid track if required. Comes with 2 lengths of track, other track available. This is actually fitted with the oscillating head and variable speed tractor. As you can see, functions all working on there. We also have the forwards and reverse. Like I say, this is actually fitted on flexible track, so this can literally go and be used in both internal and external welds. Obviously for stainless you can get suction pads on an air system if required. More details available from westermans.com. Also other welding tractors in stock from Gullco and other manufacturers. Thank you for looking.